guys, today we're going to do some science. Hey guys, the first one we're going to do is go into the snow. So the first thing you need is a cup. Then you need a spoon. Next, you need some snow crystals. And lastly, you need water. First thing we need to do is pour the snow crystals into a spoon. Next thing we need to do is pour the water into the cup of snow crystals. As you can see, we made some snow. Stuck in my fingernails. Now we're gonna make a volcano. First up, we need a cup and baking soda, a plastic tube to make it wrapped, and last we're gonna need plaster of Paris. First, we have to pour it in the plaster of Paris. Next, we have to pour the water and then stir it until it looks like paste. Now, we wanted it to turn out paste, but actually didn't, so we're just gonna stick with it and see what happens. But now, we're gonna put it in the volcano top. Now, it didn't turn out paste, but we're just gonna run with it and see what happens. So, paste, which was meant to be paste, we're gonna let that dry for tomorrow, and then for tomorrow, we're gonna make it blow up.
24 hours later.
Is this good Diet Coke? Or is it Gatorade? Anyways, we have this liquid soapy thing. I have no clue what it's called.
Liquid soap and vinegar.
Liquid soap and vinegar. Now that we've attached the pipe, now it's time to squeeze. Thank you for seeing us doing the science. I'll see you in the next video.